What's up guys? Week 44 of my journey. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to share with you guys what real estate's like right now during fall and winter. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Ben your agent. You're back on my channel. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I'm excited today to share you guys what real estate is for realtors and for what sellers are gonna expect during fall and winter. And you guys know most of me, I love fall, guys. The time to go take breaks, of course, and travel. Anywhere you go during fall is usually great weather. I was just in Utah this past few weeks and amazing weather, and just in California, it's nice weather. It's cloudy in the morning, and then in my area, sunny. All right, guys, so the number one thing to notice as a realtor during fall, I'm telling you guys, do not let go of the fire. Most realtors take their foot off the gas. You're just hurting yourself. I can guarantee you that most realtors in your office are doing and plugging away high productive activities to stay and make a lot of business. And I know of some. I'm telling you, guys, don't take the foot off the gas. Do not take breaks. Do not go on a ton of vacations. But, you know, go to trainings. Go plug into your team calls. Plug into role playing, guys. Do not let go during this fall time. This is the most crucial time in your business. And also, guys, that was just on the side note. I'm gonna get really into it, so take some notes. So for sellers, my friends and family, people that are watching out there this video, fall is the great time to buy. If you watch my video on Wednesday on Facebook Live, we're talking about why we like to help buyers buy, but let me tell you about sellers. The number one thing for you sellers, why you should take advantage during the fall time, you know, I hear a lot of sellers, I want to wait to, next year so the price can go down. No, that's false, okay? During fall and winter time, prices are gonna be up. You know why? Let me share you. During spring and summer, if you guys can remember, if you guys been shopping, if you guys even thought about selling, spring and summer, the appraisal prices has been on all-time high. It's gonna stay the same, guys. So make sure you know that whatever you do now, you're gonna take advantage, sellers, of the all-time high appraisal value. Number two, just like for buyers, sellers, there's going to be less competition. Yes, it's music to your ears. It might be like, okay, if less competition, then there's not going to be many people that are going to want to buy my house. No, it's actually the opposite. They're going to want to actually find the house they want. Since they're not getting beat out by other buyers, they're going to want to buy your house, and you're not going to have to put up with the craziness we did in summer and spring with like 20 to 80 offers on just one house. So again, number one reason, appraisal value is going to be high for your house. Number two reason, less competition. And let me give you guys a bonus for staying at the end. There is serious buyers right now if they're shopping right now at this season. Let me tell you, for those that are looking, they are pre-approved, most of them. And let me tell you, you don't have to, again, be like not sure if, are they gonna just, see the house and then maybe not be serious later on. No, statistics shows that buyers are serious at this time of the year. So let me repeat the three reasons. Number one, high price value. Number two, less competition. And a bonus, there is serious buyers. And realtors, my friends watching this, stay on the fire and stay on track and you will succeed. Thank you for tuning in my video. This is week 44 of my journey. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Take care.